In this video, I'm going to show you how to import LUTs inside Resolve. Let's just say that your DP and DIT cooked up a LUT that they want to use as a base grade, and they want you to bring that in, okay? So I've already gone ahead and converted my image from log to Rec 709 and just did like a basic correction. And now this is where I'm supposed to put in the LUT and then build my grade on top of that. And right here, this is the LUT that they want me to bring in, okay? So this is what the DIT and the DP want me to bring in. What you need to do is, what we're gonna do is, first of all, start the stopwatch because this is Quick Tip Tuesday. So let's get this done under 2 minutes. Click on your project settings right here. And once you're in here, go to color management, click on open LUT folder, okay? So this folder is buried in deep. Like, look at the pathway right here. I'm on Mac. And what we need to do is we need to bring this folder with the LUT inside this root directory, this LUT folder, okay? And what I have gone ahead and done is I moved that LUT folder to my favorites. So now it's really easy to access. Once you're done with that, what you want to do is you want to click on update list. And look, right now, you can't see Dehancer right here, but as soon as I click update list, look what happens. Now we have Dehancer right there available for us. Under 3D lookup table interpolation, make sure you set it to tetrahedral instead of trilinear. It's going to render your LUTs a lot better. And then once I hit save, now I can go under Dehancer, and then here's the LUT that the DP and the DIT cooked up, and it looks pretty nice, and I can just drop that on. And then that's going to be my starting point. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the timer. So this is how you bring in LUTs inside Resolve 18. It actually doesn't matter. It could be 17, 16. This is how you bring in LUTs inside Resolve. And for those that are interested to deep dive in the world of color grading, I will highly recommend you to check out my free training. Link is in the description. This training will take you from not knowing anything about Resolve to grading your first gig. I'm telling you, it's basically a 2-day boot camp, just jam-packed into a 1-hour-long accelerated crash course. So link is in the description. Check it out. If you're enjoying the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesomeness. Make sure to drop a comment below if you have any Quick Tip Tuesday suggestions. And on that note, work hard, get obsessed, get possessed. I will see you guys in the next video.